Here's how to make Steam open to the library page on your PC or laptop. Let's get into the method. Open Steam first and then click on where it says Steam in the very top left corner of the window. On the list that appears, choose Settings and then select Interface from the menu on the left. On this page, look down the list for the option called Startup Location and then click on the drop-down menu to the right of this and select Library. You can now close these settings, and the next time you open Steam it should be to the library as we set. Remember, if you've minimized it, it will open up to where it was left. That's how to make Steam open to the library page on your PC or laptop. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.